Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. Today, on this winter kind of day, we're doing the White Russian. This cocktail, while it is super simple and there's no prep work to be done, I wanted to do a quick video on it for this week, show you how to make the White Russian. I feel like it's a perfect, nice cocktail to have in the evenings during the winter season with the addition of heavy cream into this drink. It is a kind of more rich, very simple cocktail to make. But with simplicity, there are so many ways that you can elevate it, which is great. So as I'm making it, I'll just give you a couple ideas of things that I might do if I wanted to take the time to make a White Russian a little bit more above and beyond. With all that being said, the White Russian, pretty simple. Here's the build. 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Kahlua, and a splash of heavy cream. That's served in a rock glass over ice, and that's built right there in the glass. And today, I'm just gonna throw a little garnish on it as well, just to make it look a little pretty. So I'm just gonna throw a cinnamon stick right in the glass as well, so you get a little bit of cinnamon on the nose. So all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into making the White Russian. First thing we're gonna need is a rocks glass. And we're gonna need our jigger. So to start, let's go with our 1 ounce of Kahlua. Now, I'm not personally a big Kahlua fan. You're not gonna see me drinking this in the regular. You're not gonna see me adding it into cocktails. However, in a drink like this, it's a staple. It's where it belongs. You could try other coffee liqueurs as well, like Borghetti. You could try Galliano Ristretto if you want something more rich. So you can give it a shot with other kind of coffee liqueurs and see how you like making the White Russian with something other than Kahlua. But I wanted to stick with the traditional today to kind of set myself a baseline so even I know where I'm at, because I don't drink White Russians all that often. But hey, maybe I'll start after today. Next thing, we're going to get that vodka. 2 ounces of vodka. Right into the glass. And I'm gonna ice my glassware. Fill that glass right up to the top. A little bit more. Yeah, I like that. And a splash of our heavy cream. Now, something else you could do to kind of elevate this cocktail if you wanted. You could infuse vanilla bean into your heavy cream by soaking a couple of vanilla bean pods into your heavy cream for a couple days. You can infuse it with cinnamon, make a cinnamon cream, or whatever other spices you want. Clove, allspice, nutmeg, whatever else you want. You could soak into the cream, which would be a nice addition to add some other flavors. So you hit that with a splash to fill the glass, and then you just let that baby sit all pretty and let that cream slowly infuse. Then, like I said, I'm just gonna garnish with a little cinnamon stick right there. And there you have it, guys, the White Russian. So let's go ahead and taste. Get that cinnamon stick down in there. Definitely get the cinnamon on the nose with that cinnamon stick in there. That's why it's a nice little addition, right? Man, super tasty. It's like a boozy chocolate milk. Honestly, it reminds me a lot of rum cream that I had down in Jamaica. Yeah, man, that's good. I don't think I've ever had a White Russian before. That's a nice little sipper. I can't tell if that's underrated or overrated, but either way, how could you be mad at it, right? A little vodka to get you drunk, a little Kahlua, that coffee and rum type liqueur, a little cream. Who doesn't like a little cream, you know? That's tasty. I'm gonna finish that. Hey, look guys, that's it for today, man. Quick episode, but right to the point. We got a cocktail for ya. I hope you're enjoying these winter episodes, man. Maybe you're making the recipes along with me. Maybe you're writing them down, saving for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And hey, as always, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. And become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone. We did it. We made the White Russian.